In this video, I'll show you how to use two different WhatsApp accounts on the same phone. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp. Tap on three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Next to your name, you'll see a plus icon. Tap on it. Now select Add Account. Tap Agree and Continue. Enter the phone number for your second account and tap Next. After verifying your number, you'll see Restore or Transfer Chats. Choose Restore from Backup to get all your old messages back. Or select Transfer from Old Phone to move chats from another device. Then tap Continue. And that's it, your chats will start restoring instantly. Once restoring is done, your second account is added. To switch between accounts, tap on three dots again and go to Setting. In the drop-down menu you'll see both accounts listed. Simply tap on the one you want to use. And that's it. You can now use and switch between two WhatsApp accounts on the same phone. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.